always, first thing we're going to do is moisturize the face. After we cleanse it, we want to moisturize it. I haven't used this La Mer moisturizer in so long. The scent is so nice, and I really do miss this formulation. It's so soft, as it states. You guys know my lips are super dry. I'm gonna try this Sugar Lip Wander. I literally do not know how this works, so I'm just going to place a little bit on my finger and place it on my lips. And to be honest, it literally just feels like water, which I feel like it's just gonna dry out my lips. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this lip mask on top of my lips. I love this tackiness. It makes my lips feel so hydrated. So let's go ahead and get these brows on. Yeah! So now I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna be using this makeup. So I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario palette. I've been using this as more of a concealer lately, but I was not aware you could actually use this as a primer too. This consistency is actually really nice. The Urban Decay Potion is good too. It's just a little bit oily. So what it really comes down to is preference-wise, to be honest. This consistency is nice for someone who tends to be more oily or have oily eyelids. The Urban Decay one is a little bit more liquidy, so it does contain a little oil, in my opinion, but I'm not sure if it does or doesn't. Actually, let's look it up. Okay, so this is like the little itty bitty one. It doesn't say it. So it doesn't state that it does have oils. Maybe it's the dimethicone, so it has that slippery feeling, but it just has like a little bit like an oily base. But again, I'm probably wrong because it says dimethicone, which is not really oils, but I don't know. Compared to this, I like this one because it's like a cream, but it literally dries down to a powder. So if you tend to have more oily lids, I do in the middle of the day, you start seeing a line sometimes if I don't wear eyeshadow. But for the most part, when I do wear eyeshadow, I won't see it because it's properly primed. But anyways, I do like this one a little bit better for more of a long lasting wear because it's basically like a powdery finish. So when I do apply on my shadows, it's a little bit smoother. Sometimes with the Urban Decay one or those types of liquidy feeling ones, it just kind of like gets stuck on the brush and it starts getting all yucky. So I'm not sure what kind of look I want to go for today. Oh my god, I swear there was a blue in here. I am so wrong. I am so rough. I just painted my nails and I'm just grabbing like the palette a little rough and it's like I'm about to break my nail and I literally just cut them. Anyways, so since I don't have like a blue in that palette, which I really thought I did, I'm just going to jump in with this navy blue as a crease color here, hoping it's going to turn out the way I would like it. I don't know, but let's go ahead and get started. By the way, this color is called navy. Just gonna work this in the crease. Oh my god, look at my freaking brush. Do you guys see this? Oh man, dang it. Hoping it's not going to make a difference in the blending, like have an extra blue streak here, I don't know. So I'm just working this in the crease. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing today, but I just felt like a really blue look today. I'm like regretting what I'm doing right now. This is a very intense matte navy blue. It's getting the job done. Just need some extra attention on the blending part. It's pretty potent at first, but once you blend it out, it's actually really soft. That's so sad. I honestly thought I had a blue, but I guess it's a purple. And I think I'm probably thinking of the other palette, which is the green one that has like that vibrant red and the blue. Oh, it makes me want to buy it now. So what I'm going to do is pack in the blue here, right here on this outer corner. These colors, it's like you have to work in like sections and just pat the color as you go and add more than using a heavier hand. So I'm just doing like a little triangle, kind of like greater or less than on your side kind of look. And it's just going to create the shape of the eyes there. Once I'm satisfied with the shape, I'm going to do a cut crease on both sides of my eyes. I'm gonna use a different flat shadow brush this time. I'm gonna pat this into the empty space here. And then I'm gonna be careful because I don't wanna mix too much. So I'm just going to pat it downwards so it has a nice gradient of the two colors, but not like a complete sharp division of the two colors. Okay, so the grand finale. Man, I don't know what I should do. I really want like a blue look. Okay, so for the lid space, I really wish I had like a blue sparkly color like this. I mean, I have the silver under this navy. I don't even know if I want to wear something silvery, to be honest. Let me see if I have any blues. Even this Jaclyn Hill palette has like more turquoises and not a traditional soft blue. See, I have this color from Makeup Geek. Would that be pretty? I seriously am gonna kill myself. So I did not realize I wasn't recording. Oh my God, I cannot handle myself right now. I don't know what's going on. Guys, I'm so sorry. I truly did not realize I wasn't recording. I don't know what's with me these days. So what I did to color correct is I used this color corrector CBD Chill Out by Flower Beauty. I used this product JOAH under the eyes for a little bit of concealing. And then for the face, I used my favorite foundation stick at the moment. It's actually a tinted luminizer. What I really love about this finish is that it's soft, it's powdery, it's very glowy without any pearly or frosted look to it. I just like the feel and look of it, so that's what I did, and I'm so sorry that I didn't capture that. And I also use a little bit of this flower powder. This is the CASAVA in the yellow. Definitely made my skin a little bit softer by setting it. And then I was telling you guys how crazy I looked, because usually after my eyeshadow is applied on, I'll do my lashes, my mascara, eyeliner, and then I'll jump into complexion. And for some reason, this time I just jumped over to complexion without properly finishing my eyes. So anyways, here we are right now. So what I was rambling about without recording was eyelashes. I've been really into these brown lashes. These are the Ardell Wispies, and I thought it may be too light for this blue, but I'm just gonna give it a try anyways because I just been loving this brown. Can you guys see how brown these lashes are? Aren't they so pretty? I'm just going to measure these since these are brand new. Oh, they look so soft. I wonder if they're too soft for this look. Okay, maybe not. I guess instead of the Wispies, we're going in with the Demi Wispies. Oh, these are not cute. But we'll make it happen. We'll let the eyes dry, and I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of the blue. I think this time I'm gonna go pretty dramatic on the lower shadow. Was that a little too much? Take the same mermaid and apply this on the lower bottoms. Let's get it in my eye, shall we? It's gonna go in with a little black here. Whew, I said just a little. Some lower mascara. I'm just gonna go back with the same navy blue because I feel like the black took a little bit of the blue away. So I just want to rim under here with a flat brush. So it's a little bit more controlled and I can basically line under my eye. And I'm just gonna take whatever's left over and just kind of, again, give a little bit more dimension on the crease area. I think this look needs a little bit of liner at the lash line. So wish me luck, guys. That was scary. Oh. I'm like, dude, I'm almost butchering this look. Okay, we're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna stop while I can. This is the Icicle blue highlighter. Unfortunately, is not available anymore. I mean, you could find it maybe on eBay or somewhere, but it's kind of hard to find. I'm just gonna use this and highlight my inner eyes. I am going a little bit heavier handed in the eyes in the center here, only because I want to blend it into the shadow and the lid space. So it's like lighter to darker. Oh my God, it's such a pretty color. Okay. So I'm gonna take a little bit of what I have and just apply it right under my brow bone for a highlight. just using whatever's left over here. I'm gonna use Warmth as a all over face color. And last for lips, I'm gonna use a new lippy. This is by MERMAID. MERMAID. This is like their lip oil, tinted lip oil. The color is Au Naturel. I hope this is really gonna work on my dry, crusty lips. Tiniest little doe foot applicator. I mean, it is a pretty tiny lip gloss. Oh, it's very peachy. I don't know. Do I like it? Ooh, I like that. I closed it and it had a second tightness. Like that. To be honest, it's like a regular peachy type of gloss. Formulation is, it's okay. I am starting to feel a little bit of the oiliness, which is a good thing. Now I'm gonna use a setting spray. This is the Cover FX High Performance. Let's, ooh, see, you always gotta test it. Okay, here we go. I do this to myself all the time. So I slept with my hair in a bun after I washed it. Okay, one thing I noticed is that this eyelash is like droopy, so let's perk this sucker up. Let's also tightline so we don't see any skin peeking through. So after I washed my hair last night, I just put it in a bun. So I'm hoping the outcome of my hair will have a nice body or wave to it, minus, you know, these guys. So let's see. Okay, I wasn't digging that lip color alone. Okay, so I felt like it didn't have enough shine to it, so I added a little bit of the Maybelline Lifter, which is basically in the same color. Very peachy nude, but it has more of a high shine. Alright guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!